اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم وَإِذَا ذُكِرَ اللَّهُ وَحْدَهُ اشْمَأَزَّتْ قُلُوبُ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ وَإِذَا ذُكِرَ الَّذِينَ مِن دُونِهِ إِذَا هُمْ يَسْتَبْشِرُونَ. That's the only one?
Yes.
The translation is, and when Allah alone is mentioned, the hearts of those who believe not in the hereafter shrink with aversion. But when those beside him are mentioned, behold, they begin to rejoice.
I have seen some Muslims, particularly among my Somali people, when you mention Allah, they become uninterested. But when you mention other things, they get involved and interested. So could you kindly enlighten us why it is so?
You see, you are in fact discussing the same question which we have just been discussing. When you speak of God alone, Christians, for example, are not fully happy. They are never fully happy unless you also mention Jesus Christ. So Jesus Christ has acquired a more important position with them than God himself. If they do believe in the unity of God, they should be happy when just God is mentioned. Jesus is incidental to God, according to them, in the sense that God is Father and Jesus is Son. The original, fundamental is God. When he is mentioned, they should be happy, because apart from the Christians, all over the world, throughout the ages, it was God who was mentioned and Jesus was not mentioned. Yet people were happy with God. But here is the case, unless you mention Jesus with God, they will not be happy. So this is the meaning of this verse. That shows the inside story of their belief. They give more importance to the imaginary gods, which they call besides Allah, than God himself. So when they praise God, God will not care for them, because he knows that their praise is in fact directed at Jesus, not at God. Correct?